old country, they were playing them all. Made a buddy down in Key West, met him on the weekend fishing, now they're up on the wall. He says it's all about who you know. Well, I've got friends everywhere I go. Ain't got a boat on the lake that I parked on the water, or a 401k that I built from the bottom. One of those credit cards that can buy this barn around or two. But I've got friends that do. Hey Blake, you got any friends like that? Yeah. I'll tell them about it, son. Listen up. I called on a Friday to get a little sideways. I always skip the line at the door. We end up on the bender, cause he knows the bartender. That's why we don't pay anymore. He says it's all about who you know. Well, I got friends everywhere I go. Ain't got a boat on the lake that I parked on the water, or a 401k that I built from the bottom. One of those credit cards that can buy this barn around or two. Ain't got a house on a hill for a poolside party, but tickets to the game I can use come Sunday. Ain't got a big up truck for all this stuff when I need to, but I've got friends that do. Yeah, I got friends that do. Friends like you, woo! Ain't got a boat on the lake I can park on the water, or a 401k that I built from the bottom. One of those credit cards that could buy this barn around or two. Ain't got a house on a hill for a poolside party, but tickets to the game I can use come Sunday. Ain't got a big up truck for all this stuff when I need to, but I've got friends that do. I got some friends that do. I got friends that do. Hey Joe, you're buying tonight, right? No, not me, man. But you said you were buying. No, sir. Joe, I thought you were my friend.
Let's learn L.D.F. I Got Line Dance Friends. It's choreographed by Jeanne, Chamas, and myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with restarts on walls 2, 4, and 6, all after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where those restarts happen, and then we're going to go around and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn L.D.F. I Got Line Dance Friends. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. We're now going to step our right foot out to the right side, step your left foot out to the left side. We're now going to do a ball cross. We're going to bring our right foot in center and cross our left over our right. You're going to rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to weave right behind left side, right cross. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot. You're doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a quarter heel grind. So we're going to take our left heel, place it forward, slightly angling your toes to the right. You're going to put your weight onto your left heel, and as you do it, you're going to swivel your toes from right to left, making that quarter turn over your left shoulder, and you're going to settle back onto that right foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to do a left shuffle back, step our left foot back, right together, left back, rock back with your right foot, and you're going to use this as a prep because we're going into a full turn. We're going to recover onto our left foot. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right to face 3 o'clock, and then another half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left to face 9 o'clock. The section that follows this has another quarter turn. I want you to think they're all going to blend with each other, so you can slightly over-rotate that last half turn so that your quarter turn feels a little bit easier. But let's try it with some counts. We crossed over, you're doing your heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to continue that turn over our left shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn, stepping our right foot to the right side, and we're going to do a vaudeville, crossing our left behind our right. Quickly step your right foot to the right side and place your left heel forward into the diagonal. You're now going to step your left foot next to your right and cross your right over your left. Step your left foot to the left side, squaring yourself back up to 6 o'clock, and we're going to do a quarter sailor with a heel. So we're going to make that quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our right foot. Step your left foot to the left side, and you're going to place your right heel forward. We're now going to quickly step our right foot next to our left, place our left heel forward, and that is the end of the section. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just done our half. You're doing your quarter vaudeville. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to quickly step our left foot next to our right. We're going to step forward with our right and do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to repeat that. Step forward with your right, half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to rock forward with our right, recover back onto your left. You're going to quickly step your right foot next to your left and place your left heel forward. You're going to step your left next to your right and touch your right next to your left. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just done our heel with our left. You're going to do your ball step half pivot. So it's and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your 2 walks. Walk, walk, out, out, ball, cross, side rock, recover, weave behind, side cross, quarter, heel grind, back, shuffle, back, rock back, recover, half, half, quarter, side, behind, ball, heel, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor, heel, ball, heel, step, half pivot, rock, recover, ball, heel, ball, touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. The restarts are going to happen on your side walls. So our first time will be wall 2. You will dance 16 counts, which is up to your half to face our next wall, which is the back wall. And then you will restart after those halves. You'll then dance the back wall. And when we get to the 3 o'clock wall, you'll restart at the same point to face 12. You'll then dance wall 5 all the way through. And when we come back to the side wall, you'll restart again at that same point. So all 3 restarts are going to happen at the same point in the dance. They're just going to put you onto your next wall. So let's try our restart. Weight is on your left foot. You're going to do your 2 walks. Walk, walk, out, out, ball, cross, side rock, recover, behind, side cross. Heel grind, quarter, shuffle, back, rock, recover, half. Right now you would restart the dance. Walk, walk, out, out, and cross. Same exact thing on the side wall over here. When we restart, you will dance up to that same point, do your half to the front, restart. Then the last time is going to be the 9 o'clock facing wall, which you will restart the same place as you did on wall 2. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance all 3 restarts and the wall that follows so you can practice the transitions. Weight is starting on your left foot. We're doing our 2 walks. Walk, walk, out, out, ball, cross, side rock, recover, weave behind, side cross, quarter, heel grind, recover, shuffle, back, rock back, recover, half, quarter vaudeville, side, behind, ball, heel, ball, cross, side quarter sailor, heel ball, step, half pivot, rock, recover, step, heel, step, touch. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart, walk. Walk out, ball, cross, side, rock. Recover, behind, side, cross, quarter, heel, grind. Recover, shuffle, back, rock, back. Recover, half, quarter, side, behind, ball, heel, cross, side, sailor, heel, step, half pivot, rock, recover, step, heel, step, touch. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart, walk out, ball, cross, side, rock, recover, weave, heel, grind, quarter, shuffle back, rock back, half, quarter turn, vaudeville, side, behind, ball, heel, ball, cross, side, quarter sailor with your heel step, half pivot, step, pivot, rock, recover, ball, heel, ball, touch. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart, walk out, and cross, rock, recover, weave, heel, grind, quarter, shuffle back, rock back, half, quarter, vaudeville, side, behind, side, heel, step, cross, side, quarter, sailor, heel ball, step, half pivot, rock, recover, and heel, and touch. And then you would dance the rest of the dance all the way through. It naturally ends facing 12 o'clock. I hope this helps you learn L.D.F. I got line dance friends. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.